Yes, hello students. I wish you all are happy and healthy with your family in this current situation. Myself, Dr. Nirmal Shah, Chemistry Department. मैं आपका पेपर 302 यूनिट 4A इनऑर्गेनिक पॉलीमर कंडक्ट करूंगा. ये आज सेकंड लेक्चर है. इन फर्स्ट लेक्चर we discuss what is inorganic polymer and its classification. So inorganic polymer means that backbone is not made up of carbon. It's a macromolecule like silicons, borazines, etc. So after lecture 1, after one topic, that is classification of inorganic polymer, today we move to second topic, that is polymer containing boron. Yes. So polymers containing boron. Yes. So borazine, remember? Borazine, then substituted borazine and boron nitride. Are polymeric compounds of boron. In your syllabus, you have inorganic polymers of boron and silicon only. So आज हम लोग क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? Polymers containing boron. इसमें फर्स्ट हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे बोरेजीन. यस, बोरेजीन और बोरेजोल both are same and its formula is B3N3H6. It is also called borazole. Yes, it is also called borazole. So borazine. And this compound is isoelectronic with benzene. Yes, remember this. It's a isoelectronic with benzene. Isoelectronic means its number of electron is same, and that's why it's called inorganic benzene. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Inorganic benzene. So first of all we discuss why we call it inorganic benzene. इसको हम लोग inorganic benzene क्यों बोलेंगे? See, borazine, here it's a cyclic compound like this. Yes, it's a boron, then here nitrogen, boron, and here nitrogen. It's a cyclic compound. It's like this way. Yes. And one hydrogen. Yes. So it's the structure of borazine, B3N3H6. It's a cyclic, and even you know that benzene, no doubt, is one of the organic compound. It's a hydrocarbon. It's also cyclic. It just is the structure of benzene. Yes, it's also cyclic structure. C6H6 with alternate double bond. Yes, it's a borazine, it's a benzene. So in short, we can say that both are cyclic, both are hexagonal. B3N3H6, आप टोटल उसका टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन काउंट कर लो. See, in benzene it's a C6H6. So 12 6 6 6 36 plus 6. So you get how many electron? 42 electron. सेम वे B3N3H6. देखो बोरॉन एटॉमिक नंबर इज 5 so it contain how many electron? 5. So 5 3 are 15 plus 7 3 are 21 plus 6, again it's a 42 electron. So that's why it's isoelectronic with benzene, so it's called inorganic benzene. So some of the physical property of borazine resembles with that of benzene, and that's why it's called inorganic benzene. Both are colorless liquid, both are cyclic, same number of electron, almost their boiling point is also same. So you may face such question, why borazine is called inorganic benzene. तो याद रखना है आपको. Sorry. No doubt their chemical property are quite different. दोनों का chemical property दोनों का अलग अलग है, because this one is an inorganic molecule, this is organic molecule. Its backbone is made up of carbon, here there is a boron and nitrogen. So chemically both are different. No doubt there are certain physical property resembles, and that's why it's called inorganic benzene. Okay, now we move to further. Yes, preparation of borazine. Yes, now we discuss preparation of borazine. Because in university exam you may face long question, discuss preparation and properties of borazine. तो आपको ये करना है, it's an important question for examination points of view. So borazine can be prepared by following method. इसमें first जो हम लोग है, that is by Stock and Poland's method. ये method का name is developed by two young scientists, Stock and Poland. So it's called Stock and Poland method. So borazine was originally prepared by Stock and Poland in 1926 by the action of ammonia and diborane. You know what is a diborane? Is a B2H6. This is a diborane. When diborane is heated with ammonia, whenever it is heated with ammonia, in first step you will get an adduct product. Yes, it's like this. So in first step we get an adduct product. No doubt we balance the reaction later on. And in second step, so whenever it is heated at 200 degrees Celsius temperature, you will get B3N3H6. It's called borazine plus H2. So we may balance this. It's a 3 2 just 6, so I can put here 2. Yes. So I can put here 3. Yes, here it will be this 6. And 6 3 are 18. Right. Okay, I put here 12. So this is called borazine. हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? It's called borazine. This is borazine. So it's one of the method for the preparation of borazine. This intermediate adduct, which when heated it decompose when heating in a closed tube, and you get borazine. Hydrogen gas is evolved. Yes. So here ratio is 1:2. In this case your ratio is 1:2. यहाँ ratio कितना है? 1:2. अच्छा, second method में ये first method है. Now we move to second method. By heating, yes, by heating BCl3 with ammonium chloride, yes, NH4Cl. So when BCl3 is heated with ammonium chloride, NH4Cl when heated with BCl3 at 140 degrees Celsius temperature in presence of Fe, which act as a catalyst. First product is, you will get Cl3, B3, N3, H3 plus HCl, which we called trichloroborazine. It's a trichloroborazine. हाँ, बैलेंस कर लेते हैं हम लोग यहाँ. It's a nitrogen 3, so I can put here 3. In university exam, you have to balance each and every reaction. Yes, 3, 9. Okay, this will be your 9HCl. Good. So this is the first step. You get trichloroborazine. And in further step, when trichloroborazine, that is Cl3, B3, N3, H3, heated with lithium borohydride. It is heated with lithium borohydride. You will get borazine, that is B3, N3, H6. Yes. Plus other byproduct is lithium chloride and diborane. So here you get borazine. This is another method for the preparation of borazine by heating with ammonium chloride and boron trichloride. So this is the first step, and this one is in second step. So in second step, you will get the product borazine. Yes, this is a borazine. ये आपका हो गया borazine. ये मिल गया आपको borazine. So there are two different methods for the preparation of borazine. One more method is also there. So now we discuss third method for the preparation of borazine. That is, yes, now third method. By heating, by heating a mixture of lithium borohydride. You know, lithium borohydride is one of the strong reducing agent, and ammonium chloride. Yes. So borazine can be prepared in the laboratory by heating a mixture of lithium borohydride and ammonium chloride in vacuum at 230 degrees Celsius temperature. So when ammonium chloride heated with lithium borohydride at 230 degrees Celsius temperature in vacuum, you will get colorless liquid that we call borazine. Yes, plus lithium chloride, and plus hydrogen gas is evolved. Which gas is evolved? H2 gas. Now we balance the reaction. Yes, it's a boron 3, so I can put here 3. First of all, balance the boron. आपको फर्स्ट कौन सा बैलेंस किया? बोरॉन. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट स्टेप we balance nitrogen 3, so I can put here 3. So nitrogen and boron both are balanced. Achha, now lithium, how many 3? So put here 3. Lithium is also balanced, and at last you balance hydrogen. So यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम में अगर आप करें तो रिएक्शन आपको बैलेंस करना है बिल्कुल. So here we discuss 3 methods for the preparation of borazine. स्टॉक एंड पोलैंड मेथड जो हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट किया था, स्टॉक एंड पोलैंड मेथड. देखो मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ. दिस वे स्टॉक एंड पोलैंड मेथड इज यूज फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बोrazine. इट्स अ कमर्शियल मेथड फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ borazine. While preparation of borazine from lithium borohydride we can prepare in laboratory. So we can say is a laboratory method for the preparation of borazine. Yes, remember borazine is a colorless volatile liquid. its boiling point is low. His boiling point is around 68 degrees Celsius. And you know the structure of borazine. अभी हम लोगों ने पता है structure of borazine, आपको पता है, फिर भी एक बार हम लोग डिस्कस कर लेते हैं यहाँ. Yes. So it's a boron, then yes, a nitrogen, it will be boron, sorry, यहाँ क्या आएगा, nitrogen, it's my mistake. Yes, then it will be again boron, nitrogen and boron. So there is an alternate boron, nitrogen, boron, nitrogen. Yes, ये alternate आ गया. Yes, and that is each nitrogen and boron attached with one hydrogen, and there is an alternate double bond. Remember, it's the structure of borazine. Yes, ये nitrogen, ये भी nitrogen, this one is also nitrogen. ये तीन nitrogen बन गए. Yes. So in these cases, hybridization of this boron. Remember, इसका हाइब्रिडाइजेशन जो बनेगा that is sp2 hybridization. This is sp2 hybridization. ये बन गया sp2 hybridization. This boron. Yes, in this double bond, remember, boron contain how many outer electron? 3. But here boron surrounded by 4 bond. So these 3 sigma bond, ये बन गया sigma, ये भी sigma, and this is also sigma. So these 3 covalent bond formed by boron. While that one of the double bond, in this case, ये जो double bond है, that is a dative bond. You can say coordinate bond. This whole electron pair which take part in this bond formation is dominated by nitrogen. और हम लोग इसको क्या बोलेंगे? These bond it's called p-pi dative bond. ये दोनों के p ऑर्बिटल से बना हुआ है. This is p-pi dative bond बोलते हैं हम लोग इसको. Why it's a dative means coordinate bond. So in each double bond, one sigma, another is a pi. जैसे यहाँ 2 बॉन्ड है तो ये कौन सा बन गया? पाई बॉन्ड. While this one is in sigma, ये सिग्मा है. मतलब ये दोनों यहाँ जो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है किसने डोनेट किया? नाइट्रोजन ने. Because you know nitrogen have how many outer electron? 5. It used 3 electron for the formation of 3 covalent bond. One with this hydrogen, one with this boron, another with this boron. So one lone pair it used for the formation of pi bond with this boron. This is the structure of borazine. Borazine decomposes slowly on storage even at minus 80 degrees Celsius, and small quantity of white solid are deposited over a period of several days. And as we discussed, it's also known as inorganic benzene because it is isoelectronic with benzene. So यूनिवर्सिटी में क्या पूछ लेते? डिस्कस प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बोराजीन एंड इट्स फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी. तो ये आपका 7 मार्क का क्वेश्चन हो गया. Now we discuss chemical properties of borazine. And remember one more thing. Chemically, borazine is quite different than benzene because both are different molecule. It's an inorganic molecule. Benzene तो organic है पूरा. But some of the physical property of this compound is resembles with that of benzene, and that's why it's called inorganic benzene. Chemically both are different. ये दोनों different है. So now we discuss chemical properties of boron. So आज के ये लेक्चर में हम लोग बोराजीन ही करेंगे. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बोराजीन एंड chemical properties of borazine. That how borazine react with HCl, Borazine react with chlorine, how it undergoes hydrolysis, and we discuss few important properties, or we can say its uses of borazine.